Okay, I turned the camera on because we're gonna get to go. Go. We get to go now. It's a miracle. Hello. See, now what this is gonna do now, it's gonna burn my battery down on my phone. I can see it depleting it. Camera will last 9 hours, but the phone is gonna last about one. That might be an idea. Okay, we're on the Cudjoe Key bike trail on the north side of US 1. Here's a danger zone. Danger, Will Robinson. It's a car danger zone. But we made it safely. Here's another danger zone. Clear. Little bumpy here. Oh, that's a good test of my new mount. And it worked good. It didn't fly off yet. Well, so far. Okay, this is still on the south side of Cudjoe. We're 3 minutes into our video. I was hoping I wouldn't have to run this with my phone, so we're gonna have to check that out. Oh, I gotta get on your side because of the rocks. We gotta bring our blower down here and blow the rocks off. Cudjoe Key has a nice bike path. In addition, there's an extra 2 miles down to the blimp. Got a biker coming at us. Couple of them. It is a nice day for biking. Don't have the sun roasting yet. Howdy.
You need to get a bell.
Yeah. I gotta get a new spring on mine. Look at my finger, how I gotta run it. Still works, but it needs a new spring. Yeah, it does get used a lot. I'm wondering how much wind is funneling through on this. because it's not especially windy.
You still got a deck rig like you did yesterday.
Yeah, I don't know if these 7s have wind reduction or not.
Smelly stuff is still smelly.
I would say probably.
That's just nasty.
Yeah, there's a nice canopy through here, so even when it is sunny, you got some shade. Little bumpy here, but our mount is working good. I haven't had to adjust it yet. We're almost ready for my next test though, to see if the power pack will run without my phone driving it, because at first it didn't work. I was supposed to have a video coming out of Summerland and didn't get one. Okay, we're down here by the gym, coming up on Blimp Road. Here's a good place to eat. Never been there, but it gets a lot of traffic. It's called Royal, and it's a small island steakhouse. They line them up there pretty good. Yep, the Blimp Road. Danger zone.
Going down that
No, I'm gonna go over to the campground.
truck here, like
Garbage truck.